Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Workbook page number 26 to 28. Unit number 6, comparison of adjectives. Comparative adjectives. You know that adjective is a describing word. Children, we have done this in our previous lecture. What is adjective? What is adjective? Adjective is a describing word. Adjective describes the quality of the things, like sweet apple. Apple is noun and sweet is its adjective. Beautiful doll. Doll is noun and beautiful its adjective. And the word is adjective, not adjective. In adjective, D is silent. Okay, children. In this lesson, we will learn about the comparative adjectives. What is the comparative adjective? When you compare two or more people, animals, or things, you use comparative adjectives. Okay, I'll explain it through examples. For example, Ali is a strong man. In this example, we are talking about Ali, and Ali is a heavyweight lifter and he is very strong man. Strong is adjective. This is the quality of Ali, that Ali is a strong man. And this is the first form or the positive form of adjective. As you have learned the form of verbs, there are three forms of verbs: present, past, and past participle. In simple way, we say first form, second form, and third form. In the same way, the adjectives also have three forms: first form, second form, and third form, and their names are positive, comparative, and superlative. There are three examples, and in all these three examples, we are using first form, second form, and third form. Look carefully. Ali is a strong man. Strong is the first form of adjective. Now moving to next example, Ahmad is the stronger than Ali. Ahmad is stronger than Ali. Stronger. This is the second form of strong. Now moving to next example, Raza is the strongest of the three. You can see in the pictures, there are the boys and they are heavyweight lifters. One name is Ali and Ali is a strong man. Second is Ahmad and Ahmad is the stronger than Ali. And the third one is Raza. In picture number 3, there is Raza and he is the strongest of the three. Okay, in these examples, you can see in first sentence, we have used strong, next one stronger, and in the third one strongest. It means strong is first form, stronger is second form, and the third is strongest. Positive, comparative, and superlative form of adjectives. Okay, in question number 1, we are going to fill in the missing degrees of adjectives. First form is called positive, second form is called comparative, and third form is called superlative. Large, larger, largest. Okay, children, here are some rules. You have to learn those rules, how we make the form of these adjectives. First one is large. In the picture, you can see there is a large apple. And the second one apple is larger than the first one. And the third one apple is the largest of all three apples. Okay, how we can make this? The rule number 1 is large is simple. Larger, what we will do, we add ER. E is already written with large, so we will add R with it to make comparative form, and to make superlative form, we will add EST. Large, larger, largest. EST. E is already written, so we'll add EST. The second one is small. Small is adjective and the second form is e, smaller. We will add er, too small. And the third one is smallest. We will add est, small, smaller, smallest. Okay, in the picture you can see cat is a small, it is a kitten, it is small. But then there is a rat and the rat is smaller than kitten. And the next picture is of an ant, and ant is the smallest of all three animals. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. In the picture you can see there are basketball players. Number one is a tall player. The second one is the taller than number one player, and the third one is the tallest of all these three players. Tall and second taller we add er, and in the third we add est. Tall, taller, tallest. Now number 4 is busy, busier, busiest. Okay children, this is a rule number 2. Whenever the words end at y, when an adjective has a y at the end, change the y to I and add a new syllable er or est to make the comparative form of adjective. Okay, you can see busy. In the end of the busy there is y. We will change y into I. Okay, B-U-S-I, and then we will add er. Busy, busier, busiest. In this page we learn two rules. First we add er and est, and in rule number 2 we change y into I and then add er, est. What are those rules? First one is we add er and est, and rule number 2 we change y into I and then add er, est. Now moving to the next page. Number 5 is dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Okay, dirty, it is adjective and it ends at y. We will change in second form y into I and then we will add er and est. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Y change into I and then er. Dirtier, D-I-R-T-I-E-R, dirtier, D-I-R-T-I-E-S-T, dirtiest. Number 6 is big, bigger, biggest. Okay, this is a rule number 3. Whenever in the last of there is a consonant and before consonant there is a vowel. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U, and I is a vowel letter, and we will double the last letter. B-I-G, big, bigger, B-I-double-G-E-R. What we did here, we double the last letter. Last letter is G, and what we did, we double the last letter. Here we double the double G, B-I-double-G, and then we add E-R, and then in the superlative we add E-S-T. Big, bigger, biggest. In the picture you can see there is a dog and the dog is big, but the cow is bigger than the dog, and elephant is the biggest of all the three animals. Big, bigger, biggest. Next is dim, dimmer, dimmest. Dim, it is also 3-letter words, and the last one is consonant, and before consonant there is a vowel I. Dim, in second, what we did, we double the last letter M, double M, and then we add ER, and in the third we double the last letter, double M, and then we will add EST. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. In the picture you can see there are 3 bulbs, and one is First one is dim, but the second one is dimmer than the first one, and the third one is the dimmest of all these three bulbs. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. D-I-M dim, D-I-M-M-E-R, dimmer, D-I-M-M-E-S-T, dimmest. Number 8 is hot. It is also three-letter word, hot, hotter, hottest. And in this, we will also double the last letter. Hot, H-O-T, hot, H-O-T-T-E-R, hotter, H-O-T-T-E-S-T, hottest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Okay, children, moving to number 9. Useful, more useful, most useful. It is here we are applying a different rule. Useful is already a big word. It is made from use and the full. So we will not say usefuller or usefulest. We have to add another word before these words. Useful, more useful, most useful. With the second comparative form, we will use more and most. In these words, which are already big one, and they are from the other word, we will not use ER or EST. We will not apply ER or EST rule with them. We will use more or most before these words. Useful, more useful, most useful. Useful, more useful, most useful. Charming, charming, more charming, most charming, more charming, most charming. Okay, in this page we learned that whenever there is a three-letter words, we double the last letter and we add E-R-E-S-T. And the words which are already the big one, what we do, we add more and most before these words. Useful, more useful, most useful, charming, more charming, most charming. Okay, now number 11 is wonderful. It is also a big word. It is made of wonder. Wonderful. We will use more and most before these words. Wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. Wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. Now we have number 12, good. Okay, in this word, we don't apply any rule here. We have to learn its second form and third form. We have to learn the positive and superlative form. Good, better, best. Good is first form of adjective, positive form, better is comparative form, and best is the superlative form. Good, better, best. Next is many, more, most. Many, more, most. Number 14 is little, less, least. Little, less, least. In the pictures, you can see these things. Little, less, least, much, more, most, good, better, best. Okay, children, in this question, what we have learned? We learned that adjective has three forms. What are their names? Their names, positive form, comparative form, and superlative form. How many forms? The adjective has three forms. What are their names? Positive, comparative, and superlative. And we have learned 4 rules. The rule number 1 is we add ER and EST. We add ER and EST. Large, larger, largest. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. And rule number 2 is we change Y into I and then we add EREST. Busy, busier, busiest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. And rule number 3 is whenever there is 3-letter words or sometimes 4-letter words and in the last there is consonant and before consonant there is a vowel, we double the last letter. Big, bigger, biggest. Double G, and then ER, double G, and then EST. Big, bigger, biggest. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. Hot, hotter, hottest. And the next rule is whenever there is a long word, we don't change those words. We use some other words to make comparative and superlative form. Useful is a big word and we will add before useful more and most. Useful, more useful, most useful. Charming, more charming, most charming. Wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. And there are some other words that on those words we don't apply any rule. We have to learn their positive, comparative and superlative forms. They are different in their forms. Good, better, best. Good, better, best. You have to learn these words. We don't apply any rule on these words. Good, better, best. Many, more, most. Little, less, least. Little, less, least. Okay, students, our question number 2 is we will fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives. Naga Parbat, number 1 is Naga Parbat is a dash mountain. Naga Parbat is a dash mountain. As I told you, when we talk about one thing, we use first form, and when we talk about two things, we use second form or comparative form, and when we talk about three or more than three things, we use third form or superlative form. Okay, read the sentence carefully. If there is, we are talking about one thing, we will use first form. Naga Parbat is a dash mountain. Naga Parbat is a mountain, name of the mountain in Pakistan, and it is, we are talking, in this sentence, we are talking about only Naga Parbat. So Naga Parbat and the option high, higher, highest. We have only one option, high. Naga Parbat is a high mountain. Because we are talking about only Naga Parbat, we will use first form high. Naga Parbat is a high mountain. Next is, it will be dash to go by train. Train se jana, how we will, when we go by train, it will be cheap. It will be cheap because we are talking about only train, not bus or other transportation. We are talking about only train, and cheap is the first form, cheap. Second is cheaper, and the third one is cheapest. But here we are talking about only train, so we will use first form cheap. It will be cheap to go by train. This sentence number 3, this is a dash bridge. This is a dash bridge. In this sentence, we are talking about one bridge. So we will use here strong, not stronger or not strongest. Strong. This is a strong bridge. When we talk about one thing, we use first form. Okay, sentence number 2, it is a dash day than it was yesterday. It is a dash day than it was yesterday. Okay, we are talking about 2 days, today and yesterday, day before today. Okay, it is a dash day. It is a hotter day. It is a hotter day. Hotter, hotter. We will use here second form, hot, hotter, hottest. It is a hotter day because here we are talking about the 2 days, today and yesterday. Spell hotter, Hotter, hotter. Here we double the last letter. It is a 3-letter word and we will double the last letter, hotter. It is a hotter day than it was yesterday. Sentence number 5, my kite is flying dash than yours. Okay, here is, we are comparing two people's flying kite. My kite is flying dash than yours. I'm comparing my kite to your kite, and I'm saying that my kite is flying higher than yours. When we compare two things, we use second form, high, higher, highest. high, higher, highest. And here we will use higher. My kite is flying higher. 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 My kite is flying higher than yours. Sentence number 6. The lake is dash than a pool. The lake is dash than a pool. In this sentence, we are comparing lake with the pool. It means we are comparing two things here, so we will use the second form. When we compare two things, we use second form. The lake is deeper than a pool. The lake is deeper. D-E-E-P-E-R, deeper. D-E-E-P-E-R, deeper. The lake is deeper than a pool. Sentence number 7. Ali is the dash hunter of all. Ali is the dash hunter of all. Here we are comparing Ali with all the hunters. We are comparing Ali with all the hunters. When we compare one thing to many things, we use third form. Okay. What is the second form of brave? Braver and bravest. Ali is the bravest hunter of all. Ali is the bravest hunter of all. Sentence number 8. Chinese silk is the dash cloth of all. Chinese silk is the dash cloth of all. Chinese silk, we are comparing the Chinese silk with all cloth, and when we compare one thing to all, we use third form. Fine, finer, finest. Fine, finer, finest. And we will use here finest. Chinese silk is the finest cloth of all. Chinese silk is the finest cloth of all. Number 9 sentence is, the leather jacket is the dash of all. The leather jacket is the dash of all. Okay, warm, warmer, warmest. Leather jacket is warmest of all because we are comparing this jacket to all other jackets. So when we compare one thing to all other things, we use superlative form, third form. The leather jacket is the warmest of all. Spell warmest. W-A-R-M-E-S-T, warmest. W-A-R-M-E-S-T, warmest. Ali is the dash boy in the class. Ali is the dash boy in the class. Okay, children, we are comparing Ali to all his class fellows. And when we compare one thing to all other things, we use third form, superlative form. Ali is the dash boy in the class. Ali is the good, better, best. What is the second and third form? Good, better, best. And we will use here, Ali is the best boy in the class. Ali is the best boy in the class. Best, B-E-S-T, best. Okay, children, if you learn the form of adjectives, degrees of adjectives, we also say to it degrees of adjectives, then you will be able to fill in the blanks. I have in detail, I have told you the rules, how you will apply when we talk about one thing, we use first form. When we talk about two things, we use second form. And when we talk about three or more than or all things, we use third form. And all these degrees or adjectives have given in your worksheet. Okay, learn those form of degrees of adjectives and then fill in the blanks.